Hi guys, this is archon forex here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So in today's video, we are doing our analysis, our weekly analysis of weekly forecast on Gbpusd, Xauusd, and Usdjpy. So those three pairs are the pairs that I'll be doing a weekly forecast on what I should be looking out for the next week. Now, start wasting much of our time. Let's move into the video. Now, let's start with Gbpusd. On Gbpusd, this is a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I'm having this bullish trend trying to turn to bearish trend. So last week, we have a bearish candle to the downside, right? So with that, what should we be expecting? But I want us to take note of this level here, around here, because this level is a very strong resistance zone. This is a resistance and support zone. This is a support zone that pushes this market up before. So when this price comes back here again, sentiment happen. So plus this thing here. Let's say we have it here. So like that on weekly time frame. So we are going to be taking note of this place here because of this support zone around here. So now let's move to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, what are we having? We still have this bar here. So come here, let me adjust it a little bit to this other block here. I think this other block here. So I'm pinning it. So this is it here. So I'm waiting for this price to come here, give me a sort of reactions before I take my trade, before I know what to do. But this is on daily time frame though. So let's go to 4 hours to see what we are going to do. Excuse me, please. So on daily time frame, we have this massive downtrend that we're following. So which means we are looking for a sell, right? So if I want to look for a sell, we have to look for our mode of entry. But as for now, as I speak, no any forms of my trade formation here. So I'll be waiting for it to form. So with that, let's go to 1 hour. Maybe there will be something to look out for. On 1 hour, still same thing, nothing more, nothing else. But I'll be marking my zone so that if price retraces back to this level, market may retrace back to this level before it comes down. So where will I still be joining the trend? So let me say around here. So this is a resistance zone here that I would love to enter trade from. So I think there's one around here again. This supply zone here can also serve as a resistance zone for me. So these two around here as well. This one too. Let me see this one. This support zone turn to resistance around here. These two. So coming down to my entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. So this is what I'm having. So if I can get my entry confirmation from this 3 bar, any one of these 3 bar, I might write it down to this level. But if not, I will be waiting for this market to come down into this bar here, giving me a sort of reaction to the upside, like a buy reaction before I enter. But if it doesn't give me that one and market breakdown, then definitely we're looking for a sell. So that's my own bias on Gbpusd for now, because it's not giving me what to be expecting. So what I'm expecting now is if it goes up here, I might write it down back here. But if not, the market come down here with this bar here. Remember that this bar is from daily time frame. So if it get to this bar on daily time frame, it might give me a buy scenario, buy entry confirmation. If I see a buy entry confirmation from here, I will write the buy. Right. So that's what we are expecting from on GBPUSD. That's what I'll be expecting. So that's that on GBPUSD. Now let's move to another pair, which is USDJPY. On USDJPY, let's move to our weekly time frame as well. So on weekly time frame, USDJPY, see, we have a nice uptrend, right? Nice uptrend. This is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. So equal low here, then market started pushing up. So this is a clear uptrend on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to the daily time frame. And our last week candle is also a bullish, right? So now on a daily time frame, what am I looking for? What I'll be looking for on a daily time frame. So let me mark some zones out. I'm seeing this zone here. This demand zone here. So this zone, I'm marking it out because that's one that is near to the to current market price. So now let's move to number 4 hour. On 4 hour, what are we having on 4 hour? Let me adjust this one. Adjust it here. So on 4 hour, we're having a resistance zone around here. Can we see? Having a resistance zones. Sorry, support zone, I mean. I have a support zone around here. Now, so mind you, on daily time frame, we're having a bullish trend because if we are looking at it like this, see we're having a bullish trend, which means we have to be looking for a buy. So I'll be interested in from any support level to buy. So this is my support level, and this is also my another support level from daily time frame. This one 4 hour. Now on 1 hour, let me move to 1 hour. On 1 hour that we're looking for, so we'll be looking for 1 hour. Let's adjust this very well. So okay. So of 1 hour, I'm still having market is kind of consolidating around here, but I think it has break out of this consolidation from this level here, but still doing somehow around here. But since we are in the uptrend, what I'll be focusing on is the bullish market, right? And how to buy. So I'm looking for my support. So I'll be marking my support out. I think there is one around here as well. I think there is one here. I think there is one here. And looking at this, that's seeing a trend. Let me take my triangle, my trend line. So let's look for a trend line. I think we're having a trend line here. Okay. I have a nice trend line here. We have a nice trend line here. It gives us this. There's this first touch, second touch, and the touch upon here. I think NFP did that. NFP did this one here. NFP. So now we're having the third touch here. Now, this is my analysis on daily, on 1 hour, I mean. Now, I'm moving down to for 15-minute my entry time frame. Now, but before I go, you can see this market is the way it's kind of moving. It's not really moving the clean way, just like chopping move somehow. So, but what I'll be expecting is, since we have a touch here, I'll be expecting buy. As we know, I'm expecting a buy from higher time frame. So I'm looking for a buy. Now, this is first touch, second touch on third, and third touch on the trend line. So, which means I will be expecting the market to bounce back from here to the upside. And if market fail to hold, you have to come down to this level here. From here down here. So it can now move from here to the upside again. So that's my analysis. What I mean is, if price come down here on this trend line here, give me sort of reaction, then move up like that to create another high. Or it comes down, break from this trend line, retest, come here, do the same thing here, and come here. So from here, it can now move up, because remember, this zone here is on daily time frame. It's a strong demand zone on daily time frame. So that's it. That's what I'll be expecting on Usdjpy here, or if it come here, then I'll be expecting a buy from here. Do you get my analysis? So that's it. So let me save this. So I'm saving this. So that is it. So, but this is not my entry time frame though. I'm going to my daily entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. My entry time frame is 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, what am I having here? So it's pretty much the same thing. It's more the same thing. Same thing. So what I'm expecting is this market should come down here, then move. And that's my before in some time decided not to come down or started going up again. This is a resistance zone here. So if it doesn't come down here, then I will be expecting it to come here to go for a buy. You understand? When it breaks this resistance zone here, when it breaks this place, then I'll be taking my trade from there to the upside. So that's it on USDJPY as well. Buy on USDJPY. GBP has not really give us a nice entry, though we are looking for a sell. So if we see some retracement to the upside, we'll be looking for a sell from GBPs, and from USDJPY we're looking for a buy. Now let's go to Xauusd. So here, let's go to weekly. So on a weekly time frame, we have a nice up move, which is uptrend. We have an uptrend here, and last week candle is a very massive bullish candle. Now on a daily time frame here, what do we have? So we're having a uptrend on daily time frame as well. So what should we be looking for? Which means as we are looking for a buy, right? Looking for a buy, which means any support zone, that's where we are going to be interested to take our trade. Support zone. Now on 4 hour, let's see what we have on 4 hour. So yeah, on 4 hour, very nice move. We have a double top here, market move back. Supposed to give us this move supposed to give us a break of structure of this level here, but it's forced to give us a break of structure. So which means market is trying to change direction, and same thing is happening here right now. So same thing is happening here right now. Oh, wow. Now looking at let's look for where we can mark our zones. Where can we mark our zones here? I think one is one here. Yeah. this one. So that's it. And I think I have another one here. So that price is currently reacting from. Price is currently reacting from here. So now I'm going to 2 hours. There's nothing much to see on 2 hours. Let me move to 1 hour. So on hour, we are having on 1 hour, we're having a move to the upside. Then market is trying to kind of react on this zone here. So, but what should we be expecting? I'll be waiting for this price to move down a little bit. I'm waiting for this price to move down a little bit because I think this move was caused by NFP. This move was caused by NFP. So I'll be waiting for this price to come here. So this where's my 618? So my 618 is around here. So I'm marking this out. 618. Where's my 618? Here is my 618. Here's my 618. I'll be waiting for price to come to my 618. Let me go to my entry time frame, 15 minutes. So this is it on 15 minutes, which means I'll be waiting for this market to come down here. It comes from here. So we have something like this, then come down here. Give me some sort of reaction around here. 1 or 2, then move to the upside. I'll be targeting this eye here. This eye here. I'll be targeting this eye here. So that's it for Gbpusd. Sorry, Xauusd. That's for Xauusd. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Please like, subscribe, and share. So